Like, I'm super nervous, and at the same time I'm super excited, and I'm grateful. Like, I can't believe in this duration of time that I'll be able to reach this number of subscribers. I want to say thank you guys, thank you. So currently today is 26th of October 2023, and I have a total of 996 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm getting there. I believe, or from the way it's been going, I know that I'm going to get there this night, or even before this night. And I just want to be vlogging this whole process so that maybe I'll I don't know if I should post it, or maybe I wouldn't post it, but anyway, all the same, I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for what you guys have been doing so far. I started this YouTube journey, like I started it seriously, like I took it very serious 2 months ago. That was on the 17th of October, no sorry, 17th of August this year. I dropped my first video, like serious video, I mean, and I started posting back to back. At least every week I dropped something, and currently I'm almost in 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, the funny thing about this is my watch hour is moving alongside with my number of subscribers. Like, I'm in 996 subscribers currently, and my watch hours is in 996. Can you believe that? I am not kidding you. I'll take a screenshot and I'll show you. That's if something has not changed. I'm going to take a screenshot and I'll drop it and you'll see it. I'll see you guys again not in the next video. I'll see you guys again in a few minutes, because I know I'm going to keep up with this. Maybe when I get another subscriber, I come back. I'm back again. I just said let me take a screenshot and show you how it's moving alongside with my watch hour, and guess what? I'm in 998. 998. I'm excited. Like, damn! Guys, thank you. That's all I want to say. Thank you. Guys, I just checked again. 999. One more to go. I'll be back. I'll see you guys. Like, I'm so nervous right now. I don't want to lose one subscriber rather at this point. Let me go get water. I'll see you guys. Hey guys, it seems like I'm going to be waiting forever for this one subscriber. Mama, what did you say? Come talk to us. What did you say? Mama, talk to me. What did you say? Say hello, guys. Say hello, guys. Say subscribe.
Kai.
It's not Kai, it's subscribe.
Kai.
A few moments later.
For how long am I going to wait? Oh my god! I made it! I made it to 1,000! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Like, I made it to 1,000 subscribers. It's you guys' love, it's you guys' efforts. So I am going to come back again and show you guys another vlog, how I reached my 4,000 public hours watched. Thank you so much. Bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.